I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting the reset now. Make sure both AirPods and the case have power and sit next to your unlocked iPhone. First, open Settings and tap Bluetooth. Locate your AirPods and choose Forget this device. Once done, close the case lid, wait 10 seconds, then open it again. This clears the current pairing from the phone. Doing this first removes any saved profiles, so the next steps can create a clean connection without legacy settings interfering. Now perform the hard reset. Keep the AirPods inside and the lid open. Press and hold the setup button on the case back. Hold for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber and then white. This sequence erases internal settings and forces a factory state. Make sure the case stays open and your finger maintains steady pressure. Interrupting it can leave them in a partial state. Once the white flash appears, the AirPods are ready to pair anew. Finish by repairing. Keep the case lid open and hold it next to your iPhone. A pairing animation should appear. Tap Connect and follow prompts. If nothing appears, close and reopen the case or toggle Bluetooth. Make sure software is up to date. If pairing still fails, reset your iPhone network settings or try the AirPods with another device to isolate the issue. If the status light never blinks white after attempts, contact Apple support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.